Good luck. Got one, y'all. Got one. Woo! Alright guys, got on the first one. Got on the first one this morning. Let's get them back in the water. Alright guys, here go one. Here go another one. Here go another one right there. Yes it is. There go one right there. There go one. Good old sandy looking bass. Stop trying to bite me, bud. Oh yeah. Y'all, let's get on one more. There go one, there go one, there go another one, there go another one right there. Yes it is. Yes it is. There go one right there. There go one. Good old sandy looking bass. Stop trying to bite me, bud. Oh yeah. So let's get this down. Y'all, let's get on one more. GoPro, stop recording. There go one. Good old sandy looking bass. Stop trying to bite me, bud. Oh yeah. So get this down. Y'all, let's get on one more. Hey, it's not fair. You got a gas motor, man. Oh shoot. It still ain't fair though, you got a gas motor. Let's keep up with Patrick. Let's keep up with Patrick.
What pound test you got on it?
I think it's 30. Another white perch.
Yeah, it's the same lure as I got.
No, bass. Woo!
You got a bass.
I got my bass. I got my fire. Just got my fire limit. Hey guys, I done gone from catching bass to white perch. Let's get them back in the water. There you go. Oh man, another white perch. God, I thought I had one. thought I had him. You fooled me. Hey, buddy, put those fins down. Thank you. Nice. Nice white perch. I'll take some of these home. Here, bite this right here. Wonder why the bass running with these white up there. Oh! No, that's a shad, man. That was a shad. Wow. He came right there, you got it. Hey guys, had a phenomenal day on the water. I caught bass, I caught crappie, I caught white perch. Hey, man, it is a fun-filled day. I got my compadre, my constituent out there, Paul man bassing.